guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. We have a very special video today. We are trying the Modelones Sexy Mix Polygel Kit. I got this big package that had 4 different kits in it. This kit comes with the instructions, dual forms, a 180 grit hand file, tweezers, polygel brush, slip solution, 6 different glitters, these rainbow line stickers, dried flowers, base coat and top coat, paper nail forms, gems, and 3 different polygels. The first color is light pink. It's this sheer light pink color. The next color is clear. And the last color is white. Here are the swatches side by side. And I'm also going to be using these dried flowers from another brand along with the ones from Modelones because I don't think the ones from Modelones is going to be enough. So here are my natural nails and we're just going to start with some nail prep. I'm going in with my cuticle pusher and just pushing back the cuticle. I'm going to take my e-file with this circle bit on it and just go around the cuticle to lift up any of that dead skin from the nail plate. If I sound a little bit scratchy, it's because I just woke up. I'm just going to take my cuticle scissors and cut off any of that little excess cuticle that could still be left. I'm going to dust off the nails. Then I'm going to take my nail clippers and cut down the growth of my nails. And I'm just going to take my hand file. I'm going to smooth out that free edge as well as remove the shine from the nails. Then I'm going to take some 100% acetone and just clean off any of that dust or excess oil that could just be left on the nail plate. Then I am just sizing out my tips. These are the Makartt full cover tips, but I'm using them as half tips. And I'm going to go in with my KDS glue and glue these nail tips on. Then I'm taking my hand file and just shaping the tips, as well as my e-file and removing the shine from the tips, as well as blending the tips in with the natural nail. Next, I'm taking this rubbing alcohol and just removing any of the dust from the nails. This works as my dehydrator. Then I'm gonna go in with this Young Nails Protein Bond, which I'm using as my primer. I just got this and I'm so excited to use it. I'm hoping that these nails are gonna last really good. So I'm just painting a layer on all of the nails. And I read to add a second layer, so I'm doing a second layer. Now I'm going in with some of the base coat, painting a thin layer over the entire nail. Then I'm going to cure that in my nail lamp for 30 seconds. We're just going to get started with the polygel. I'm using the white color. I'm putting a bead at the tip of my nail, and then I'm taking some of the clear and also adding that in, and I mixed the polygel on my nail. It wasn't my smartest idea. I just didn't have a mixing plate because well, it was dirty and I didn't want to clean it. So I just decided to mix the polygel on my nail. It didn't really do much, so I guess it was kind of a waste of time. And once it was pretty much mixed completely, I took my polygel brush that came with the kit and just patted out the polygel to fit the tip of the nail. So today we're doing milk bath nails. I had way too much polygel on this nail. Instead of doing 2 beads, I just dragged this 1 big bead all the way down to the cuticle, and I just don't do 2 beads in this entire video. I just use 1 bead because I plan on sticking the dry flowers into the uncured polygel, so I just did 1 bead. So I'm just smoothing that out and fitting the tip of my nail, making sure to smooth down the edges so that the polygel is shaped to the tip. And then I'm going in and working around the cuticle, thinning out the polygel near the cuticle and kind of pushing it as close as I can get to the cuticle area, and to make sure that none of the polygel is touching my skin. So once I have that how I liked, I cured it, but you're not supposed to cure it because remember, we're supposed to stick the dried flowers into the wet uncured polygel. So I accidentally cured it, so I had to go in with some more polygel, and I just put a really thin layer on top of the polygel I already had. Then I took my dried flowers and just press that into the wet polygel. They all stuck down really nicely. You want to make sure not to cure your polygel before you stick in the dried flowers. So I just took pinkish red color and then a blue flower, and then I took one of these leaves from the bigger dried flower kit. I just pressed the different flowers into the nails. And I cured that in my nail lamp. Now we're gonna get started and make our milky, very like transparent white color. I just took a lot of clear and a little bit of white polygel and mixed that together. And I just placed that over the entire nail, and this created our milky white color. This color was perfect for what I was going for. So I just put a little bit over the entire nail and basically encapsulated all of the dried flowers. And as you can see, this color is perfect. The flowers are getting that nice subtle haze over them that really, like, I don't know, gives it the illusion that it's actually in a milk bath. So this nail was coming along great. Now I'm moving on to my middle finger, and I'm just putting one big bead of white polygel over the entire nail. Now, I haven't worked with Modelones Polygel in a long time because I've been just working with all of the other kits that brands have been sending me, so I haven't used Modelones in a long time. Modelones is one of the first polygels I've ever used, and I've just always liked Modelones Polygel. And let me tell you, after a long time of not working with it, I absolutely missed this consistency of polygel. No other polygel feels like Modelones Polygel. I don't know, this polygel is like my favorite consistency. This is the perfect consistency. It's not too sticky, it's so easy to mold, it's not runny, it doesn't get stuck to the brush, and you can shape and mold the nails so easily. I just love this consistency. Yeah, if you ask me what my favorite consistency is, Modelones Polygel is my favorite consistency. So I'm just making sure to clean around the cuticle and finish patting around the polygel. Now, once I had the polygel all figured out and on the nail very nicely, I didn't want the cuticle to flood while I was working with the dried flowers. I didn't want the polygel to be so wet, so I cured it for 1 second. I cured it for 1 second, and this polygel cured. When I went ahead and stuck the dried flowers in, it wasn't sticky. So I just went ahead and cured the nail fully and did what I did on the pointer finger. On the middle finger, I just added another really small bead of polygel over the entire nail, and then I added my dried flowers, and obviously it worked. You can't flash cure this polygel like for a quick second just so it's not as, like, you know, wet, because it'll cure fully. So I went ahead and I used these dried like flower bushes, and I just cut them up into smaller pieces because, first of all, they were too big and I just couldn't fit them over the entire nail. It just filled the empty space really nicely. And then I also took these big green leaves and cut them up as well. So I'm using this glitter that I got from Born Pretty on the ring finger, and I'm just going in with the white polygel, putting that over the entire nail. I put a really thin layer of polygel, and then I'm going in with the glitters on my brush and then just patting that into the nail wherever I want it. And this glitter is really pretty. It's a nice purple iridescent color. It worked with this set really well, and I was also using purple flowers on this nail, so I just went ahead and added the dry flowers as well. And then I did one final clean around the cuticle and then cured the nail. Now I'm moving on to my pinky finger and adding the white polygel once again. And then adding the dried flowers. Now I'm moving on to the thumb after the pinky has been finished, and basically doing the same thing. I added the white polygel, and now I'm adding the dried flowers. Adding the dried flowers on these nails were so soothing. I don't know why, but it was just so relaxing, and I had fun doing this set. Usually when the set gets too complicated, I might get a little bit frustrated, but this set was so relaxing to do. Now I'm going to go ahead and make more of my milky white mixture. I'm adding a lot of clear, and then going in with a little bit of white and then mixing that together. Now I'm adding that over the middle finger, and I just basically encapsulated the dried flowers, and it just added this perfect subtle haze over the dried flowers, this nice blurredness. moved on to my ring finger, and here's when something, you know, a problem started to occur. When I was patting out the polygel, I mixed too much white into this clear and white mixture, so the nail was too cloudy. It was too foggy. I would recommend to either add a little bit less white or add some dots of clear as well as this milky white. So some parts of the nail look clear, some parts of the nail look milky white, because this whole nail was just this cloudy white color, and I don't mind, it's not bad, but it's just not what I was really going for. So on the pinky finger, I added 2 dots of the milky white and then a few dots of the clear, and then patted that around. This was the perfect technique. This is what you want to do. You want to add some spots of clear and some spots of that milky white, and then just pat that around. This gave the nail this perfect illusion. I did the same thing on the thumb. Unfortunately, I only figured that out when I was doing the pinky nail, which was one of my last nails. So I just did that on the thumb and the pinky, and those are my favorite nails because they had the best technique done on them. So after I was done, I just wiped off all the nails of that tacky layer. And then I'm going in with my hand file and reshaping all the nails. I love speeding up the shaping part because something about, I don't know, it being sped up is just so satisfying, and then you can see the nail like come together and like have that nice beautiful shape. There's just something about speeding up the shaping that is just satisfying. This kit so far has worked so good. Like, the colors are so nice, the texture of the polygel is just so good. This is the perfect texture of polygel. So I now have a code on the Modelones website. The code is capital VIC. You can get 15% off your order. And for this kit, we have a little bit something special for you guys. When you order this kit using the link in my description, you will get a free nail lamp, one of those 6-watt nail lamps, you know, the little tiny ones. You will get one of those lamps for free when you buy this kit. So basically this kit will have everything you need: a nail lamp, dual forms, you know, to make your nail extension, polygel, a lot of nail decoration, the dried flowers, glitters. This kit has everything when you use the link in my description. And if you use my code for the 15% off, instead of the kit being $30, it'll be $25 and you'll get the free lamp. I definitely recommend to get this kit. This is going to be the perfect starter kit for you guys. Only $25 when you use my code, and you'll get the free lamp when you use the link. So after I have these nails all perfectly shaped and buffed, like, they're looking so good already. Now I'm going to add some bling. I'm just taking a little bit of that clear polygel and putting it near the cuticle area of my ring finger. And then I'm taking these gems that I got from another polygel kit. I didn't feel like using any of the colors that came in that gem kit that comes with this kit, so I just used the ones I already have. And I basically just put some cuticle gems. I cured that, and now it's time to add top coat to the rest of the nails. I'm gonna go in with some cuticle oil and add a drop to all of the nails. And then I just rub that in, and here are how the nails turned out. I think they turned out so good. I'm so proud of myself. This set is like one of my favorite sets. I mean, I like all of my sets, but this one is really good. Basically, one thing that I would have changed is adding those little dots of clear along with some beads of the milky white when I was going in and encapsulating all these nails. For example, the ring finger wouldn't be so cloudy. Like, I don't mind it still, but I just wish they had a little bit more clear spots. I used that Young Nail primer, so I'm hoping that these nails are gonna last a long time. I'm gonna keep them on as long as they can, and I'll give you guys an update. But anyway, this Modelones Polygel Kit, I absolutely love Modelones. I missed using Modelones Polygel. Their texture is the perfect texture. I know I'm saying it a lot, but Their texture is the perfect texture. I definitely recommend this kit. You can make beautiful milk bath nails. You can make a lot of different kind of glitter nails. You can use the rainbow nail tape. So I definitely recommend this kit. You can use my code #VIC for 15% off, and when you use the link in my description for this kit, you can get a free nail lamp. So this kit will have everything you need, only for $25. Come on, that's a steal, guys. That's a steal. Modelones has sent this kit to me for free, so thank you so much, Modelones. I absolutely enjoyed working with this kit. Like, I had a lot of fun doing this set. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about this set in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.